next type of problem we have to look about is, there will be two ratios, we have to do a common ratio by a particular common element. If example A is to B, B is to C, what will be A is to B is to C, like that question will come. Again this is a question of schooling maths, in what you learnt in schooling that will be repeated here. So let us take an example so that it will be clear. A is to B, let us take 2 is to 3, B is to C, let us consider 3 is to 5. First step what you should do is, A is to B, B is to C, what is common in both? What is common, you have to write in middle, B middle, A first, C next. If it is A common in both, you write A middle, common element should be in the middle. So A is to B, what is the ratio? 2 is to 3, B is to C, 3 is to 5. So common ratio 2 to 3, 3 to 5, both are same, 2 is to 3 is to 5. So repeat, common ratio 2 is to 3, 3 is to 5. Is the number common here? Yes. Both are same. Therefore, instead of writing 2 times, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, common ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Students, now whether you think every time there will be a common number? No, it need not be you have to have a common number. What if these two numbers are different? If it is 2 is to 3 and 5 is to 7. If these two are different, we will go for next problem to solve it. Look at next problem. What if the two numbers for B are different? Middle numbers are not same. Then we have to look at this example, then you will get an idea. So all of you refer problem number 7 in your material. A is to B 2 is to 3, B is to C 6 is to 5. What is A is to B is to C? We will write A, common is what in both? B, so common should be in between C. A is to B 2 is to 3, B is to C, in the place of B I should write 6 is to, for C it is 5. 2 is to 3, 6 is to 5. So the common ratio will be, take this number, all of you students observe carefully, if numbers are different, how do you solve? That is the question. So if these two are different, your technique should be like this. Second ratio, first number, that is nothing but 6, multiply for both. Can you tell students? 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So this you multiply for both. Then here we have 3, first ratio last number, this you have to multiply for 5. 3 into 5 will be 15. Repeating again, 6 2s are 6 3s are first step. When you multiply 6 2s are 6 3s are, this number I should take, again I have to multiply. 3 6 are and 6 3s are same. No need to write again, it is 18. So it is 3 5s which is nothing but 15. So 2 is to 3, 6 is to 5. Finally the common ratio is 12 is to 18 is to 15. You should write here 12 is to 18 is to 15. Students, any way that we can divide these numbers by particular number? Yes, 3. 3 4s, 3 6s, 3 5s. Final answer 4 is to 6 is to 5. Students will go for linking 3 ratios. Till now we worked out linking 2 ratios by a common element. We used to do A is to B is to C. Here you have a question, problem number 8 in your material. A is to B 1 is to 2, B is to C 3 is to 4, C is to D 5 is to 6, A is to B is to C is to D. So we have to write first. How do you solve it, my dear students? How you worked out for A is to B is to C? We will do that first, then we will link the last one. So we will take these two ratios first. If you can recall the last solution, A, B, C. Common is B in both. So common always you have to write in between. A is to B is what is the ratio? 1 is to 2. B is to C, what is the ratio? 3 is to 4. Therefore, common ratio will be, take 3 and multiply for both. Can you tell the answer? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Then this number multiplied for both. This number I should multiply again both. 2 3s are 3 2s are has to be same. I should multiply 2 4s which is 8. So we made a common ratio of A, B, C 3 is to 6 is to 8. Here you have one more ratio. What is that ratio? C is to D. So after doing common of these three elements A, B, C, I should do the next ratio which has one more element called D. How do you take D? C is to D, 5 is to 6. So observe carefully, C is to D. Numbers are 5 is to 6. How do you do the common ratio of all these? So I have to take this number and multiply for all this. Students, can you answer? 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30, 5 8s are 40. Like here is to multiply, here I have to take this number, multiply for all the three. 5 3s are 5 6s are 5 8s are. What is your next step? Take this number 8, last element, multiply for both. 8 5s are 5 8s the same. Therefore, I have to multiply 8 6s are. What is 8 6s are? 48. Therefore, common ratio of A, B, C, D will be 15 is to, students, can you tell the next number? 30 is to 40 is to 48. So 15, 30, 40, 48 is the common ratio of all the four. Students, now in examination, in one of the previous exam, question has come like this. Same question they give, but slightly they change it. Question will be asked, what is A is to D ratio? Even if you want A is to D, you should do all this. Ratio will be A 15, whereas D is 48. Students, can I divide both by 3? Your answer is yes. 3 5s are 3 16s are. They will ask you, what is A is to D? Then you have to conclude it as 5 is to 16. So 8 problems you worked out. Now we will go for next problem. In one of the previous exam, the question has come, if A by B equals C by D, prove that A plus B by C by D, C plus D is equal to A minus 2D by C minus 2D. I think you are referring problem number 9. All of you refer problem number 9 from the question book. How do you solve it? If you remember, even in your indices chapter or whatever your earlier schoolings you learned, whenever equalities are there, we used to call it as a constant K. Students, can we do like this? A by B is equal to C by D is equal to K. Next step, A by B is equal to K implies A is equal to BK. Similarly, C by D is equal to K implies C is equal to DK. Now you have A value in terms of K, C value also in terms of K. Let us take the left hand side. Left hand side, A plus B by C plus D is equal to, what is the value of A and C? Wherever B is there, you keep it same, D is also you keep it same. A and C you substitute. In the place of A, you can write this as BK, A is nothing but BK plus B. I just substituted A as BK. Student, can you similarly substitute C? C is nothing but DK plus D value as it is. Next step, if at all I take B common numerator, I remain with K plus 1. Similarly, D common in denominator, if I take D out, K remains K plus 1. K plus 1 cancelled. So, it finally B by D is the value. Now, left hand side we have taken. Students, isn't it now we have to same? We didn't prove anything. Left hand side if you simplify, you will get A, B by D. Same right hand side also if you get, we can conclude. So, we have to take the right hand side which is nothing but A minus 2B by C minus 2D. A minus 2B. So, student, can we substitute the value of A? What is A is about? A is nothing but BK. In this place, we will write BK minus 2B unchanged. Just A place you write BK, C place you write DK. DK minus 2D. Student, tell me in numerator what is common? B common. You will get K minus 2. Here D common. You will get K minus 2. Cancel. finally you will arrive with B by D. Student, you can make out, taking left hand side I arrived, taking right hand side, if I work out I will get like this. Always advisable to write left hand side one part, then down that you have to write. You should write this step down by down. Finally left hand side arrive with B by D, right hand side arrive with C by again B by D. So left hand side answer and right hand side answers are same. So LHS is equal to RHS. You can write hence proved. What you proved? Because left hand side value and right hand side values are same. Therefore you can write A plus B by C plus D is equal to A minus 2B by C minus 2D. This also B by D, this also B by D. So we concluded problem number 9, both left hand side and right hand side are matching, hence proved. Student, now we will go for a calculation of proportional. You know, for a ratio that you can do either duplicate ratio, triplicate ratio, subduplicate, subtriplicate. How do you work out a proportional? In that, proportional means when you say proportion, 4 numbers. They will miss one number and they expect you to find out that single number called proportional. There are 3 different types of computation involved in this. So either they may ask you 4th proportional, 3rd proportional, and it is mean proportional. I will take one example each and you have to work along with me to know what is the 4th proportional, 3rd proportional, mean proportional. 4th proportional of, question is 4th, write down, example you take down, 4th proportional of 2, 3 and 5. What is the question which you have taken in your notebook? 4th proportional of 2, 3 and 5. Your solution will be, in the proportion 4 numbers are there, 3 is given, 4th number is missing, you have to find out, take it as x. 2 is to 3 is as 2 is equal to 5 is to, what is the last number, what is the 4th proportion which is called as x. So 2x, rule of proportion you know, product of extremes equals product of means, 3 5 is 15, x is equal to 15 divided by 2 which is equal to, either you have to write like that or 7.5. We came to know, to find out mean proportion, 4th proportion of 2, 3 and 5 is 4th number should be 7.5. Student will know next one, what is the 3rd proportional. Question will come like this, 3rd proportional of 2 and 3. This is how question will come. They will give only 2 number and they expect you to know 3rd proportional. It will be, your framing proportion will be 2 is to 3 is as proportional to, look at this, if this repeat again, so I have to write 3 again, what is the last number? That is x. So solving, 2x is equal to 3 3 is 9, x equal to 9 by 2 or 4.5. Student, suppose what if it is given 4th proportional of x and y, can you make the solution? 3rd proportional, sorry, 3rd proportional of x and y will be x is to y. Again, if this y repeats, if y is there, what is the last number? I cannot write x because already taken. So we will take it as k something. So what, how do you find out k? Kx is equal to y square. Therefore, k value is equal to y square divided by x. Like that, either they give you numbers or unknowns which you have to find out. So what is the point you have to catch if it is a 3rd proportional? If 2 numbers are there, the second number if it repeats, what is the last number? What is the value of x? Last computation, we learned 4th, we learned 3rd, we are going to learn mean proportional. Mean proportional of 2 and 8, all of you take the question, mean proportional of 2 and 8. When I say mean proportional, student, mean is middle number. Therefore, these two are ends. 2 I should write starting, 8 I should write end. Mean proportional of 2 and 8 is, what is that middle number which I don't know, which I have to find out. You have to note, always I introduce one variable x. You cannot write x and y. Always there is one number which you have to find out, we will call x. 2 is to x, if that x comes again, 2 is to x, x is to 8, what is that value of x? Student, can we solve it? x square is equal to 16, 2 8 is 16, x is equal to square root 16, which is nothing but 4, plus or minus 4, we can write 4. Therefore, mean proportional of 2 and 8 is 4. Third proportional of 2 and 3 is 4.5. Similarly, last one, fourth proportional of 2, 3 and 5 is, the answer is 7.5. So, that completes your this concept number 5, proportional. So, meaning and definition we learnt. Moving a step ahead, we learnt about linking two ratios, we learnt about duplicate, triplicate ratios, we learnt compound ratio, we learnt proportional. Now we have to discuss direct and indirect proportion. We will look into it after a small break. Before going to the next concept or before taking the break, students, I will ask you one puzzle. Puzzles are like tonics that will give you more excitement to learn. Maths is quite fun. Maths is enjoyable journey. One puzzle I would like to put across to you is, assume that, okay, let me put it this way. There is a bottle and cap put together, it is 110. How much rupees? 110. Bottle and cap both together 110. Bottle is 100 rupee costlier than cap. So, bottle plus cap is equal to 110. Bottle is 100 rupee more than the cap. If so, what is the cost of the bottle? What is the cost of the cap? You have to answer in a short span, just take on 5 minutes. I will be back with this answer. What is the cost of the bottle and what is the cost of the cap? If your answer is 110 rupee, you are wrong. We will look at the answer after the break.